Hi guys, in this video we compare Google Pixel 9 XL versus Nokia N74 HMD. The Google Pixel 9 XL will launch on August 2024. The price is not available. Nokia N74 HMD launched on December 2024. The price is $1,099. The body dimensions of Nokia N74 HMD: height 6.46 inch, width 3.01 inch, thickness 8.6 mm. The Google Pixel 9 XL dimension: height 6.4 inch, width 3.02 inch, thickness 8.9 mm. The weight is same 216 gram, and the build is same front and back glass and titanium frame, and it comes with dual SIM, nano SIM cards, 4 and eSIM cards. The both welcome with LTP OLED and AMOLED 1 billion color screen type. The screen size is 6.82 inches of Nokia and the Google Pixel 9 XL 6.73 inches, and the resolution Nokia HMD N74 come with 2K screen resolution, and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL come with 2K screen resolution too. The Google Pixel 9 XL come with 487 VPH NFC. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 510 VPH NFC. The both model come with 120 refresh rate. The screen to body ratio: the Nokia HMD N74 come with 90.1%, and the Google Pixel 9 XL come with 89.1% screen to body ratio. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 5000 nits peak of brightness. The Google Pixel 9 XL come with 4000 nits peak of brightness. The camera setup: Google Pixel 9 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, and 50 megapixel telemeter with 5x optical zoom, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. The Nokia N74 HMD comes with triple camera setup too. The main sensor is 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto with 5x optical zoom, 50 megapixel ultra wide with 8K 30 fps video record. The both mobile come with 50 megapixel selfie camera with 4K 60 fps video record. The platform of these devices: the Google Pixel 9 XL comes with Nokia Core CPU with Cortex X4 3.98 GHz. The Nokia N74 HMD comes with octa-core Cortex X5 3.4 GHz CPU. The Google chipset comes with Google Tensor G4 4nm, and the Nokia N74 HMD comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 3nm chipset. The GPU of Google Pixel 9 XL Immortalus G730 1GHz, and the Nokia N74 HMD come with Android 760. Both mobile come with Android 15 operating system. The Nokia N74 HMD come with 12 and 16 gigs and 24 gigs of RAM. The Google Pixel 9 XL come with 12 gigs and 16 gigs of RAM. The internal storage is 256 gigs, 512 gigs and 1 TB. No SD card, no nano card support in this mobile. The battery backup: Nokia N74 HMD comes with 5400 mAh battery, and then Google Pixel 9 XL comes with 5050 mAh battery. Nokia N74 HMD comes with 120 watt fast charging. The Google Pixel 9 XL comes with 30 watt fast charging. The Google Pixel 9 XL comes with 23 watt fast wireless charging, and the Nokia N74 HMD comes with 65 watt fast wireless charging. The both mobile come with 5G network support. The result of these devices: Nokia N74 HMD come with 26 points, and the Google Pixel 9 XL got 21 points.